ever. Enjoy your evening. Thank you.
The chairman and members of the Bar Riverside Carnival Committee, representatives from Vodafone, our 7 beautiful contestants, ladies, gentlemen, brothers and sisters, Bula Vinaka, and a very good evening to you all. It is a pleasure to be here again in my hometown to grace the crowning night of the 2018 Vodafone Bar Riverside Carnival as your chief guest. I thank the organizers for the warm words of welcome and acknowledge all stakeholders for raising the profile of Bar through this carnival. I'm sure you are all looking forward to the climax of the carnival. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm pleased to see so many of you here tonight. This is one carnival that is eagerly awaited by the people of Bar, irrespective of their age. It also promotes one of our government platforms, that is promoting community event for all Fijians. This year's carnival theme chosen by the committee is quite bold and clear. Ladies and gentlemen, the theme speaks volume. And I'm sure that our beautiful contestants here tonight have talked about the process and practice by which our daily living generates waste, from the kitchen to schools to industries. I'm also very sure that during the past few days, like our beautiful contestants, our beautiful Bar people would have taken the message to their minds and hearts on the theme that our service is our responsibility. Ladies and gentlemen, Bar has been going through major capital projects with an aim to provide better facilities and services to the people of Bar, including visitors, and if I may add, also those who are in Bar on working visa. Through government grant, my ministry and Bar Town Council has undertaken the following projects. 1. Construction of a new state-of-art stadium at Govind Park, which will have a seating capacity of 8,000 with bucket seats and other related facilities. The total funding towards the construction with design and documentation of the stadium stands at 4.175 million. 2. Upgrading of our rubbish dump. 3. Upgrading of our market facilities. 4. Drainage works for flood mitigation measures and new footpath and landscapes. Lastly, upgrading of informal settlements at Bar, namely Klopkot, Tavenga Venga, Elavuka, and Barabu, for the purpose of providing better housing facilities and also providing 99 years of lease. And lastly, ladies and gentlemen, soon we will see the opening of the new Bar Hospital for your health and wellness. Ladies and gentlemen, we are in an important juncture when it comes to Fiji First government. It is my duty to remind us all today of the significant contribution we have made in our first term of office. As the nation prepares for the general election, it is timely to remember these achievements. And may I add that this is just the beginning of a better Fiji for all Fijians. Ladies and gentlemen, just as Fiji has gone stronger, so has the Bar Riverside Carnival. And we cannot gain strength without sponsors. And at this juncture, I wish to acknowledge Vodafone for coming on board as the major sponsor for the 2018 Bar Riverside Carnival. My good friend has assured the people of Bar for sponsoring the 2019 Carnival. Unfortunately, I was just waiting for the figure. But don't worry, I'll make them sponsor with a bigger amount next year. Ladies and gentlemen, carnivals are nothing without their queens. And tonight, we have some of the most wonderfully presented contestants. And I want all of you to put your hands together and thank them for their participation. I'm sure the winner will do Bar proud at the upcoming annual Miss Fiji pageant. And at this juncture, I would like to announce that Miss Fiji pageant will be held in Nasinu. And hopefully they will represent our town when the Miss Pacific pageant comes around. Ladies and gentlemen, and dear children, I also acknowledge and applaud the support that you, the people, have given to the Bar Riverside Carnival. I look forward to your continued support for this important event for Bar. With these few words, ladies and gentlemen, brothers and sisters, and dear children, before I crown the Miss Vodafone Bar Riverside Queen 2018, I would like to wish the organizers all success for this wonderful event, and may it continue to grow and prosper as a truly great event for people of Bar. Thank you, and may God bless us all. Vinaka.